Imagine a world where coastlines vanish, swallowed by the relentless rising tides. This isn't science fiction. If all the ice on Earth melted, sea levels would rise by a staggering 200 feet. That's taller than the Statue of Liberty. Imagine the iconic statue, almost completely submerged. Major cities like New York, London, and Tokyo would be submerged, their towering skyscrapers peeking out from the water like ghostly remnants of a bygone era. Entire nations like the Maldives and Bangladesh would disappear beneath the waves, their cultures and histories lost to the ocean. Millions, even billions of people would be displaced, forced to leave their homes and seek refuge elsewhere. The impact on human civilization would be immeasurable, altering the course of history forever. We've built our world on the assumption of stable coastlines, with cities, ports, and infrastructure, all relying on this stability. That assumption would be shattered, leaving us to face a new, uncertain reality. The map of our planet would be redrawn. Familiar coastlines would be gone, replaced by inland seas. Florida, gone. The Netherlands, swallowed. Millions of climate refugees would flee inland, overwhelming existing infrastructure and resources. Conflicts over land and resources would be inevitable. This mass migration would reshape the geopolitical landscape. The very idea of nation-states could be challenged in this new, flooded world. Melting ice wouldn't just raise sea levels, it would disrupt the global climate system in profound ways. Ocean currents, responsible for regulating temperatures, would be altered. Weather patterns would become more extreme. Hurricanes would intensify, fueled by warmer ocean water. Droughts would parch once fertile lands. The delicate balance of Earth's ecosystems would be thrown into disarray. Species would struggle to adapt, leading to mass extinctions. Feeding a flooded world. As climate change accelerates, the impact on agriculture becomes increasingly severe. Agriculture, the foundation of human civilization, would face unprecedented challenges. Droughts and floods would become more frequent and intense, disrupting the delicate balance needed for crop production. Coastal plains, some of the most fertile land on Earth, would be submerged. Rising sea levels would claim these vital agricultural zones, displacing communities and reducing food supply. Saltwater intrusion would contaminate freshwater sources, making it difficult to grow crops. This would force farmers to seek alternative water sources or abandon their lands altogether. Food shortages and famine would become widespread, leading to global instability. The strain on food systems would cause prices to skyrocket, making basic sustenance unaffordable for many. The challenge of feeding billions on a flooded planet would require innovative solutions and a radical rethinking of how we produce food. Urban farming, vertical agriculture, and advanced hydroponics could offer new ways to grow food in limited spaces, ensuring a more resilient food supply for the future. Adapting to a water world. Survival in this new world would require unprecedented adaptation. Coastal cities would need to be abandoned or redesigned to withstand rising sea levels. New forms of agriculture like vertical farming and hydroponics would become essential. Desalination technologies would be crucial for providing fresh water. International cooperation would be more important than ever. Sharing technology, resources, and knowledge would be vital to human survival. A global challenge, a human response. In every corner of the world, people are coming together to address the pressing issue of climate change. From planting trees to cleaning beaches, the collective effort is a testament to human resilience and determination. The melting of all the ice on Earth is a scenario with catastrophic consequences. Rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and loss of habitats are just a few of the devastating impacts, but it's not inevitable. We have the knowledge and the tools to change this trajectory. We have the power to choose a different path. By embracing renewable energy sources like wind and solar, and by committing to sustainable practices, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions, we can slow the rate of ice melt and mitigate the worst effects of climate change. Transitioning to electric vehicles, promoting public transportation, and encouraging cycling are crucial steps in this journey. By investing in adaptation and resilience, we can prepare for the challenges ahead. Building flood defenses, adopting sustainable agricultural practices, and supporting communities in recovery efforts are essential measures. The future of our planet and our species depends on the choices we make today. It's about creating a world where children can play in green parks, where scientists can innovate, and where communities can thrive. It's time to act. with urgency and determination to create a sustainable future for all. Every action counts, and together, we can make a difference. Let's commit to a brighter, greener, and more sustainable world.